coming on scene. All right. Welcome back. Our second episode of FF Hitchcock Between Two Furnaces. Can't believe we got approved for a second.
Amazing.
Big guest today in the house. Introduce yourself. You have a microphone. You can talk to the. We had to make some improvements, so we got the extra microphones this time. But introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm George Bowman, FF Hitchcock Company.
Did you catch the last episode?
Yes.
What did you think?
Need time for improvement.
Okay, well that's why we got you on.
Great.
And we fired Dom.
No, Dom was fine. It was the commentator who needed to get fired.
Oh, well, we're gonna have to fix that. Can we actually cut to Dom? He was on the live stream? Let's cut to Dom in the car and see what his take on last week was.
In 3,
you never
2,
close your
1.
eyes
Okay, you guys are live.
anymore when
Dom,
I kiss
Sean, you guys are
your
live. You're live on the
lips.
air.
And
Guys,
there's no
You're
tenderness
live.
like before in your fingertips. You're trying hard not to show it, Shawnee. Baby. But baby, no.
I didn't expect Sean to be in the car with him. Apparently, they're having some technical difficulties, but man, they were belting that one out. Yeah, so we also have other big news. We officially have a sponsor. Not sure if they're fully aware of it yet. We haven't really told them, but we just couldn't quite move all these boxes, so we're gonna just tell Lennox Air Conditioning that we need a check. They're going to have to pay us for this. We had a ton of views last week, so they're getting free advertising. So we're going to send them a bill. But if you do need a great air conditioning system, please give us a call. We're the one of the oldest Lennox dealers in the country since 1919. So we can definitely help you out. What do you do average day? What do you do here?
Chase you guys around. What else is there to do? That's a full-time job. Believe me.
You've been chasing us around since we were kids.
That's right.
You haven't stopped yet.
No, but it was easier then because I could use a belt. Now I can't hit you. You're too big.
I think we're over 18. I think you actually can hit us. You started in 1971, Woodbury, Connecticut. How did you get here? We're in Cheshire. What was that transition?
Well, we were in Woodbury for a long time. I mean, the company since 1870, and I was there in we bought it in 69, so I was there summers of 69, summers of 70, and full-time 71. So I was over there probably 20 plus years. Then our lease expired, and we were looking to expand. So they wouldn't allow us to expand in Woodbury because it's a very tight zoning regulation for the amount of room that we needed. So the natural was to come to Cheshire and come to Sandbank Road.
Okay. So someone getting into the business, maybe they're 18 years old, they're not sure they want to go to college or they want to become a plumber or an HVAC person. What would you say to them?
Go for it. You can make a lot of money, get good pay. We got to work hard. But you'll learn a lot. You'll meet a lot of nice people, your customers. Treat them right, and you have a great opportunity. You don't necessarily need to go to school to further education unless you want to become a doctor or a lawyer. Other than that, or engineering, I think an opportunity to go to trade school. After trade school, come into the trades, whether it's plumbing, heating, electrical. It's a great opportunity for anybody, male or female, to get into this business today. There's all opportunities from piping to low voltage wiring. So you don't have to be a strong physical person. You can run low voltage systems. It's just CAD wire or thermostat wire. and it works. It works great. There's a lot of opportunities here, sales, etc.
Tell us a story about maybe your scariest moment on a job.
Stanley Works. We had a middle of the night call. Steam main had ruptured in one of their buildings, building 5, I think it was, and there was no lights, nothing. It was just a cloud of steam, and all you could hear was this hiss. So we grabbed a stick and put it in front of us so we didn't get burned. Couldn't shut the main off. It was blown apart. Backed out of the building. Went down into the boiler room. We had to shut off a rather large 12-inch steam main, and you got to go very slowly because if you just crank the valve, you'll get killed. And that was one of the scariest jobs I ever worked on.
You also have been known to disappear here once in a while, and we don't know where you went. And then we sometimes catch you riding down the trail on your bike.
Yeah.
Where do you go?
I usually take a ride to Southington every day. Turn around middle of Southington by F&F Concrete and come back.
We actually have footage somewhere. Can we cut to the footage? We're not gonna. It's gonna play.
Mm-hmm.
Magic of television.
Okay. Thank you, all our customers.
Fantastic. This is another great episode of Between Two Furnaces. A little bit more serious. We'll have to bring Dom back next week and make fun of him again. Or maybe we'll see if he's still singing in the car. We do have a big episode coming up where we're going to test the durability of some air conditioning units. So stay tuned for that. I think that's coming up in 1 or 2 weeks. Besides that, this was a great show. We were happy you came back to watch this episode. I hope you learned a little bit about the history of FF Hitchcock and where we started. And it was great to have my dad on air. And it's great that he gets to come here every day and help us do our job and work together as a family. And it's nice. Really, really awesome to go to work every day. So
yeah, I just wish my dad was still here. He's proud of you guys. He got to work with you for a little while, and that was great. And see how things have evolved. He'd love to see this. Right? Thank you again.
thanks.